Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install my device mod for Minecraft 1.12.2. Now if you don't know, I just released another development build of my device mod, which includes the brand new printer. If you haven't seen the showcase video, I'll put a card up on the screen right now. Definitely go check it out. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually install the mod, because it seems that, I looked through the comments, a lot of you guys are wondering, maybe it's your first time you've ever played with mods, or maybe you're struggling to, actually just install the mod itself, install Forge. Well, this video is going to cover everything. So we're going to be installing Forge, which is the API used to actually have mods compatible with each other, and then we're going to be installing my mod. So let's go ahead, let's get to this. So the first thing that you need to do is actually just start up Minecraft. Now just to be clear again, this is for the Java edition of Minecraft only. This is not a tutorial for any other edition such as console, Windows 10 edition. That won't work. Then once it's up, what you want to do is run a clean Minecraft 1.12.2. Now, if you've got it on the latest release and you're watching this video in the future, it might not be Minecraft 1.12. So if it doesn't say Minecraft 1.12.2 there for the latest released launch option, what you want to do is go to launch options at the top here, go add new, and then select Minecraft 1.12.2. so we can actually just click there. It should be release 1.12.2. Changing out any other settings that you need, but we might also just put here 1.12.2. and then if you go back to your launcher thing here, we can go ahead, select that, and then run that. So run this once. Now if you've already run Minecraft 1.12.2 at least once, you can skip this step. Now there it is, it's loaded up. It says Minecraft 1.12.2 in the bottom corner there. We're just going to simply close the game down now. We're then going to go and open up the Forge website. Now there's a link in the description below which will take you to this page. So you should see downloads for Minecraft Forge, Minecraft 1.12.2. If it doesn't say 1.12.2 here, go to the side panel and make sure you select the correct one over here. And then what we're going to do is go to this download recommended section, and we're going to click on this one here, which is installer. Now you can do this one if you have Windows, but for a universal purpose here, click on installer, because this is a jar file instead of a file which is only specific to Windows. So this will work on Mac and Linux. So go through this ad. Just click on skip at the top right corner here, and then it should start downloading the installer. Now one thing I always like to mention in these videos, if you get a message like this in the bottom left corner where it says this type of file can harm your computer, that is possible. That is possible. However, I know that Forge is a trusted developer. They're used by the entire community. They wouldn't be doing anything malicious. So make sure you're downloading mods and Forge from the official websites. Don't go to any other website except for the ones that I link in the descriptions below. But yeah, this is fine. I can tell you that right now, this is fine. So just go ahead, click on keep. But yeah, just keep in mind, make sure you're downloading from official sources, not any other websites. Then go ahead, click on this, and then it should simply just bring up this mod system installer. So you want to make sure it says click here, install client, and then also if you want to, you can turn off this statistic mod which Forge installs by default. I think it helps them out with their development and that type of stuff. So if you want to help them out, keep it on. If you don't want to, turn it off. I'm actually going to turn it off. Whoopsie. Turn it off there. Then go ahead, press OK. And that's going to install Forge. It should do it really quick. Press OK. Now if we start up the launcher again, we should now see in the list of launch options Forge for 1.12, and then right below it, it actually says 1.12.2. So we've successfully installed Forge. Now what we want to do is install the device mod. So if you click on the second link in the description below, it will take you to this Curse Forge download page here, where my mod is actually hosted. And then what you want to do is, instead of clicking on this download on the right side here, scroll down and make sure you're downloading the correct version, because this will download the latest. However, you want to make sure you're downloading the correct version. So for 1.12 here, and then go ahead, click on download file, and this will start downloading it. Now again, this will come up with another warning. Again, make sure you're downloading from official sources. They actually verify on CurseForge that mods don't contain malicious content. So CurseForge is a really great website if you guys want to download mods and make sure you're being safe about it. And that's why I host up on there. I want people to know that, you know, my mods are safe. This is open source as well, so if you do want to read the code, you can do. So we're going to go ahead and keep that. But again, make sure you're downloading from trusted websites such as CurseForge. Now that's downloaded, what we're going to do is actually put that onto our desktop here. Now next what we need to do is open up our .minecraft folder. Now this is for Windows. I'll put the directories in the description for Mac and Linux in the description below if you're using a different operating system. But basically we're just going to open up the Explorer here. Then at the top here we're going to type in %app_data%, and then double click on Minecraft there. Now I've already got like a bunch of things installed here. What is that? What is that? Get out of here. Alright. You should see a folder called mods. If you don't see it, simply just create a new folder at the top here, call it mods, and then you'll have a new mods folder. Now what you can actually do is make it so mods only load for a specific version of Minecraft. So in here, what we've already got the device mod installed. We're going to delete that. What we're going to do is create a new folder, which is specifically 1.12.2 inside of there, and then we're going to copy or move that the device mod jar file into that folder there, and then close that off. And then we're going to go ahead back into our launcher here, make sure we've selected Forge 1.12, click on play, and the game is loaded up now. And if you're new to mods, you'll notice that the menu screen is a little bit different. We've actually got this mods button here. If we click on that, it takes you to a mod list, and if you scroll down here, we should see that we have MrCrayfish's device mod at the bottom there. And if it's in that list, it means it has successfully loaded into Minecraft. You can go ahead, go into single player, create a new world, and start playing with the mod. But that's going to end off this tutorial today. Hopefully you've learned how to install the device mod and also Forge. And that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.